Hi guys, so this is time lapse drawing cherries. No, I put it on screen. Yes, and of course, lip. Ayun, what loading ko. Basta guys, mo siya guys ang tawabala. Kasi kami makeup lang ng babae da. I really go concealer para matakpan ng chismis sa face. Eyeshadow na tayo, dasig-dasig ba? Back. Start with the base light lang then darken blend ko na siya, then muna nag-set ako dahil yung diba time lapse kid. Then yes, I put red eyeshadow. I don't know the color. Yes, I put highlighter in my nose. Curl ko kung lashes. As you can see, then nagput ko mascara. Then blush, lipstick, matte na siya guys, lip tint. Then the lip tint in the shade of nude, and then the gloss of course, a little bit. Then highlighter sa nose, nagali sa nose, umang sa nose lang ito gali kinaya. Yes, the final product is so pretty. Ay, pretty. Sino ka dyan? Bye bye, thank you for watching ko no. Mwah.